Introducing the Fasmov 9-pack 32 ounces plastic jars with lids, the perfect storage solution for all your needs. These wide-mouth clear plastic containers are not only practical but also versatile, making them a must-have in any household. With a capacity of 32 ounces and dimensions of 3.5 in diameter and 6.1 in height, these jars provide ample space for storing a variety of items. Made from hard commercial-grade PET plastic, they are food-safe, strong, and durable. However, please note that they are hand-wash only and not dishwasher safe. The canisters come with caps that ensure a strong and reliable airtight seal. This feature allows you to buy in bulk and store your goods conveniently, keeping them fresh for a long time. Whether it's dry food items like cereals, pastas, nuts, beans, flour, sugar, popcorn kernels, jerky, spices, or even non-food items such as arts and crafts supplies, these jars have got you covered. The versatility of these plastic jars goes beyond your kitchen. They can be used for storing dog and cat food, organizing your garage with paints, screws, bolts, and nails, or even keeping track of small items like buttons, glitters, crayons, and pencils. The possibilities are endless. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. So, make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. In terms of product information, the ASIN is B08KZZMFXJ and it has received positive customer reviews with an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. It ranks number 47,674 in the kitchen and dining category and number 375 in canning jars. The product was first made available on October 10, 2020. Don't miss out on the convenience and practicality of the Fasmov 9-pack 32 ounces plastic jars with lids. Get organized and keep your items fresh with these reliable storage containers. Click on the short link below to make your purchase today. Short link. Insert short link here.